Okay, so hi everyone. So to make this beautiful shadow box project, these are the things you're going to need. You're going to need your shadow box. You're going to need a Brillo pad. You're going to need some vinyl. And you're going to need some cardboard stock. Well, this is chipboard because it's a little thick. This is going to be for the backing. And we're going to need some lights. And of course, a cutter. So, let's get started. And I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful shadow box light up. Okay? The first thing you're going to start off with is your shadow boxes. Now, you can buy these anywhere. See, it already has the relax. This is the inside. So you can see it on the outside. You're going to take your Brillo pad and you're going to scrub this off. And yes, Brillo pads, it scrubs it off real nice and everything. You're going to clean your glass so it will look like this, clear. And now I'm going to show you the design that I use to put on this shadow box. This is what it will look like after you have sliced it. It will look like a little stencil, so it'll look like that on your computer. And once again, we're going to make it. So this is what it will look like on your mat. And we're going to move it because you can see these little red lines up here. You don't want to go outside the little red lines because you're just going to be wasting your vinyl. So let's go ahead on and press continue. And to get these measurements, with your shadow box, when you have your shadow box and stuff, you're going to need that. And you're going to need your measuring tape because you need to measure the length and the width in order to put it right there in the middle where you want it. Here we go, and it's going to cut out that design. Okay, because you know how cool this machine is. It has circuits on it. I don't know if you call it a circuit, a cricket, or what have you, but it's going to cut it out, and we'll be right back. So there it is after I've, weeded it all out and everything. Look at that. How cute is that? How cute. Okay, so look, there it is. I weeded it out, put it on there. Look at that. That hologram is just so, so beautiful. So beautiful. So we're going to take and turn this over. You're going to take your lights. I'm going to take it, I'm going to just I'm going to use some tape. I'm going to kind of take these in place for, when they come on. Not a whole bunch, just, I don't know, like where you might want the light to stick out at. Because the tape, you won't see it on the other side when it's lit up. Just tape it around. Okay, just tape it around. It's in there. I'm gonna just tape that down right there for demonstration purposes. It's all in there. You're gonna take your cardboard stock, stick on the back. I usually hot glue this, but I'm just gonna tape it so we can get through this video. Turn a little light on, and there you have it. there you have it. Put your little light behind there. There you have it. How cool is that? How cool is that? It's all cut out now. And you have to get here and weed these, alphabets out and everything first. So, I'm taking them out. It's a heart. Let's see. This one. Look, I'm almost finished, so I'll be back when I finish taking all these letters out. Okay, so there you have it. The life box, just a woman building her craft empire, one craft at a time. How cute is that? It lights up and everything. That is so cute. So don't forget to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. All the descriptions will be left down in the box below. And once again, don't forget to press that bell.